My name is Ishita with 2 E's, and this is going to be a huge Nykaa haul. I have a lot of stuff to talk about. There were a lot of things that I was trying for the very first time, so I thought I should make this haul plus review video again. I like doing these kind of videos. A lot of things that I got are pretty appropriate for festive season, like quick makeup looks के लिए. So I thought अभी video बना देते हैं, so you have like around 10 days to place an order for these things as well. But before starting with the video, I just wanted to come up here and say a huge thank you to all the people who are leaving me such lovely messages, story mentions, comment on the birthday wala video. Thank you so much, it means a lot. There is a giveaway live on the channel in that video. Jao dekho, participate in the giveaway, and yeah. Now let's start with the video. I don't think so I can start this video without mentioning about Shreya Jain and MAC's collaboration. I got the Desi Girl kit. It has 3 lip shades. It has her face wearing all of those 3 lip shades as well. She looks beautiful. I actually was trying to get Tere Naina. It was for 1800 rupees. This was for 2800 rupees. But बाद में I realized that the strobe cream is a sample size. At least इसमें I'm getting 3 full size MAC lipsticks. Now I'm gonna be very honest. I did not buy it because of MAC. I just bought it because of this girl. I love her and I thought I should buy this and support her. So this has 3 of them made. So I'll just quickly mention everything that I feel about these shades. So this is what Russian red looks like. It's a beautiful cool toned red. It's not really my vibe, but I think festive season में 1-2 pictures के लिए I can still make use of it. Next we have Captive. I expected it to be pink, but it's like a purple pink shade. It looks very beautiful on my mom. This is again not my vibe, but it is very comfortable to wear. And of course pigmentation वगैरह भी अच्छा है. It's MAC. Now this is the first time I've actually bought anything this expensive. If I had to buy something like with my own money, it would be something like a setting spray या फिर MAC's strobing cream. But ठीक है, I got 3 lipsticks this time. Now Whirl is that one shade that I know I will be wearing a lot because this is my vibe. It's a very beautiful brown shade. I don't know if it's visible, but yeah, I really like this shade, and I also like Red Russian. Now these lipsticks individually retail for 1700 rupees, so 2800 rupees with 3 full size lipsticks is a very good deal. But I have to say this, it's not smudge proof. मुझे अपना हाथ नहीं गंदा करना, but I will try to include the smudge wala part. Also, I don't know why a lot of people thought that this was something that I got as a PR. Nahi, I'm not that level of a vlogger as of now. This I bought with my own hard-earned money, with my credit card, because I really wanted to support her. I really like her. I've been watching her ever since she was making makeup videos from her bathroom. वो पीछे tile वाली wall होती थी. मैं तब से देखते हुए आ रही हूँ. So yeah, that was all that I had to say about this collaboration. I'm so happy for her, and I'm so happy I have this with me. I'm pretty sure ये packaging मेरे साथ हमेशा रहेगी because I don't know, I cannot throw this away. Like, it has a picture and all. Now the next thing is a setting spray. This is from NYX, their Dewy Finish setting spray. I have seen so many people raving about it, and now that I've started using setting sprays and I enjoy them. इससे पहले मैं एक Swiss Beauty का use कर रही थी that I mentioned about in my last Nykaa haul. I really like it. I am using it every single day. It's pretty easy to use, and now that I've gotten the hang of setting sprays, I love this more than my matte finishing spray. I think winters में I'm only going to use this Dewy Finish वाला setting sprays. Its MRP is 875 rupees, but during discounts I got it for like 700 rupees. I know a setting spray for 875 rupees might not be very affordable, but this is worth your money, and I think if you are splurging on makeup, it's better that you buy something that is really nice. So you know, I've started getting these questions a lot, that how do I manage my expenses. I get it. Pehle I used to have a fixed salary day, like 31st of every month, but now there is no fixed date. Some PRs pay me like within a day or 2. Some PR agencies take about 30 to 35 days to clear my payments. So now owning a credit card is helping me a lot. I do not use my debit card for all of my daily expenses and shopping because I have to keep a track of all the payments that are coming in every month. So I don't use debit card a lot. I'm only using my credit card as of now. And my father always used to warn me कि Somebody like me should never own a credit card because I would always be in debt and paying a lot of interest. And I understand I do give a vibe of a girl who has no control on her shopping. But quite contrary to the popular belief, I actually pay my bills on time and earn rewards through Cred app as well. Now, Cred app is like a community of credit-worthy individuals. It helps you keep a track of all your credit card bills. It will just get all the information from your number. You just have to register on it, and you can see on the homepage all your credit cards that you have registered on your number. It literally takes away all the stress of owning credit cards. I only own one, but if you are somebody who has 2 or 3, I think usse zyada honi bhi nahi chahiye. You should definitely try this app because it keeps a track of all your credit card bills and billing cycle. It also informs you about any hidden charges that are mentioned in your statement. And the best part, it gives you rewards, cashbacks and discounts every time you pay your bills on time. So basically, it makes my credit card bill payment very much fun because I get rewards. Now, I've been managing my own finances since years. And I do understand owning a credit card is more like a necessity because sometimes you just have to spend more than what you currently own. And now, मेरे साथ ये होता है कि I know my payment would get cleared in the coming 20 days, so I will be able to spend that much money in the coming weeks. But I need to splurge it now, so that's why I have a credit card, and I love using Cred app because the basic funda behind Cred is really great. Basically, you have to pay your bills, earn Cred app coins, and use those coins to get more rewards and discounts and cashbacks. So yeah. Another thing that I absolutely love about Cred app is that it keeps reminding me of my due date. Trust me, I have lost track of all days and dates. मुझे Friday पे तब realize होता है जब I see somebody's story that oh weekend vibes, but now I'm just lost. So I like the fact that it keeps reminding me that I have bills to pay. So yeah, if you're somebody who owns a credit card and is a little bad with keeping track of dates, definitely give this a shot. Also, Cred is a community for people with credit score above 750, but I'm pretty sure if you pay your bills on time, itna to aapka credit card score hoga hi. If you want to give Cred a try, definitely check out the description box because I have mentioned the link to register on Cred. There are other benefits as well, like if you pay your credit card bill up to 1,000 rupees, you can get rewards up to 1,000 rupees. If you have a bill of 5,000 rupees, you can win rewards up to 5,000 rupees. So yeah, I would totally recommend you trying this app out. Now moving ahead with the hauls, I think I should start with the brushes that I got and then with the makeup stuff. So the first brush is this PAC Foundation Blending Brush. This retails for 665 rupees. I got it for like 500 something and I really like it. It's a very big fluffy sub brush. I keep it packed because I don't want it to get dirty as of now. It's really huge, as you can see. Its bristles are extremely smooth, like trust me, very smooth, and it blends everything very quickly. मुझे लगता था कि foundation brush should be of like an average medium size, not this huge, but it actually blends everything so quickly, so I really like using it. There are no harsh lines, nothing at all, and it is so soft on your skin. Now the next brush is somewhat disappointing. It's ProArt's small blending brush PE19. Now इसके description में mention था that this can be used to blend cream products on your skin. Basically concealers around your eyes and some problematic spots पे. It does a pretty good job while blending, but I feel its shape is a little uncomfortable. I don't like the brush quality as well. I think this is more comfortable to be used as a flat eyeshadow brush, but I don't know. I feel I need something more voluminous for blending my concealer. So yeah, this was my first time using a PAC and ProArt ka brush, and I feel I like PAC's quality more. So yeah. The next thing is something that I don't know why I got. I was just so fascinated by it. मैं actually काफी सारे पता नहीं क्यों makeup tutorials देखने लग गई हूँ. Actually, they just pop up in my Instagram reels, and there were way too many reels with glitter eyeshadows, like pressed glitter shadows. So I searched for something affordable, and I got this one. I know, काफी glittery है. It's Swiss Beauty's Tinkletown Pressed Shadow Kit. It has a beautiful range, dude. I mean, look at the colors. It is so, oops, I feel it's abhi aa raha hai. So the packaging is great. It comes with this plastic sheet ताकि कुछ spill ना हो, and the color range is amazing. पहले मैं actually individual pots लेने वाली थी, but then I found this. Yeah, it was for 579 and I got 9 pressed glitter shadows. Its quality is great. Trust me on this. I have golden, silver, emerald green, reds, oranges, peaches. I love this color. I don't know मैं कब use करूँगी. Now I haven't used it yet because I couldn't get my hands on a glitter glue, Unfortunately सब out of stock थे, तो I'm waiting for something to arrive as soon as possible. मैं Amazon से order कर चुकी हूँ. Now I know कुछ लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि glitter shadows लेने की क्या ज़रूरत है. Like I know they cannot be used in a plenty of ways, but I feel for festive season this can actually take your look from here to here, because you literally just have to press on one shade all over your lids, maybe use a winged liner, and that's it. You will be all glammed up for your birthday, festive season, anything. I'm pretty sure मैं ये red shade तो Christmas के time पे लगाने वाली हूँ. Not that I'm that pro makeup level person, but still, this is like a goal that I've set for myself for December कि इसको यूज करना आ जाना चाहिए मुझे. Which reminds me, I actually got my very first pair of eyelashes, fake eyelashes. These are from Bronson Professional. I think ये मेरा पूरा haul is inspired by Instagram reels. I've seen so many people using so many of these products, so I bought them all. I thought reels में अच्छा लग रहा है, तो so I might as well try them in real life. Now this was just for 150 rupees, so I got it, and I did not go for something very dramatic. These are very काफी light से everyday purpose वाले lashes है. Now these are the kind of lashes that you would see a lot of bloggers wearing on an everyday basis, not for their over the top glam looks. And I feel maybe I'm not, and I felt मैं अभी उस level पे पहुंची हूँ, तो I should definitely try and start with these kind of lashes. मैंने अभी तक लगाए नहीं है. Again, I'll try it and get back to you. Now the other two things that I got from Swiss Beauty, जिसकी वजह से मुझे एक free product भी मिल गया था. So the first one is this intense kajal in the shade blue. I feel like for eye makeup, I definitely like using colored pencils. I have a silver one, I have a red one, and a nude one as well. So I thought blue is something that I can definitely go for. As you can see, the pigmentation is great. It glides on so amazingly. It doesn't smudge or anything. It has a great staying power as well. This is the color that I've used on my lower lash line as well. I just felt कि अगर मुझे दिवाली पे कोई simple सा smoky look करना होगा, उसके साथ instead of using a simple black kajal, I can go for this blue and just add a pop of color in my look. So yeah, definitely try this out. I really like it. इसमें काफी colors available भी थे, like bronze and everything. And I think Swiss Beauty पे कोई offer चल रहा था, like you have to shop for 800 or 900 rupees to get a free eyeshadow. So I think I just had to order something for 100 rupees. So I went ahead and ordered this Dip and Twist Nail Lacquer Remover Sponge from Swiss Beauty. Again, this does a very good job. काफी अच्छा है. It is the grape variant. So yeah, मुझे बस ये try करना था. इसका sponge is quite fluffy, so if I dip my finger in it, it removes everything easily. So yeah. So the free item that I got from Swiss Beauty after shopping for all of this was this mousse eyeshadow. Now I have never used a mousse eyeshadow. I didn't even know that something like a mousse eyeshadow exists. So this is how it looks like. Now I got the shade Moonlight. I was really excited about it because ये थोड़ा सा इसमें glitter particles है. It's very creamy. So if I want to do a smoky eye, I think this would be great. I think its original price is somewhere around 200 rupees per pot. So I know a lot of people do not like investing in palettes because trust me, palettes are costlier and you don't even end up using like 50% of all the colors. मेरे साथ तो अभी तक ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. So if you are looking for some specific colors, definitely try these out. I know मैं करने वाली हूँ because I have like 3 palettes now and I know what kind of colors attract me more, so I'm looking for those colors in such pots now. इसके अलावा I got 3 nail paints. Now I have to say this, I love nail paints. अगर आप मुझे कभी भी एक makeup haul बनाते हुए देखोगे, there would be at least 1 or 2 nail paints. So these were all from Faces Canada. One is this very beautiful powder blue shade. The other one is this pale olive color. I'm gonna mention all the codes and everything, and the next one is somewhat metallic. It's this rose gold metallic shade. I got it because मुझे लगा festive season में ऐसे pale colors, pastel shades नहीं चलेंगे, so I went ahead with this. I actually like this brand a lot apart from Nykaa का nail paint range. Okay, so now we're left with just 3 more things. So the first one is this Lakme Iconic Kajal in brown shade. जैसा कि मैंने कहा, I love using colored pencils. I think they are very comfortable to use, very easy to blend and everything as well. You do not even need eyeshadow brushes to use them. What I love doing with this is applying it as an eyeliner and then smudging it and then applying a black mascara ताकि थोड़ी मेरी lashes और pop करे against the brown kajal. And yeah, I think brown kajal winged liners look way more subtle and everyday appropriate than a black kajal liner. So yeah, that is why I got this, and I think everybody knows Lakme Iconic is one of the best kajals since eternity. I think मैं बचपन से इनके बारे में सुनते आ रही हूँ, and the color is pretty good as well. Now I have to say I'm somebody who loves nude lipsticks, and काफी time से I did not buy any new lipsticks, so this time I got one. So this one is from Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayons in the shade Next Level Nude. It's a very beautiful lip shade, but every time I open it, इसकी पूरी crayon बाहर आ जाती है. I don't know what to do with it. It's a very beautiful nude shade, but it has more of a pinky tone to it, and I usually go for, you know, peach या फिर brown tones, but for a change I thought pink looks really cute. And the best part is it comes with a free sharpener as well. I feel you can never have enough makeup sharpeners. काजल के लिए चाहिए होता है, eyeshadow pencils के लिए चाहिए होता है, lip crayons के लिए चाहिए होता है. And the last item from this haul is a serum. This is Streaks hair serum, but this one has walnut oil. इनकी एक और packaging आती है which is in blue shade. I used to love using that. So इस बार I thought let's try this because it's winters and I need more moisturization. So walnut oil वाला ले लिया. I actually like Streaks as a brand for hair care products or for hair color products as well. I already oil my hair, shampoo them well. I have stopped using conditioners as of now. I think I go ahead with the hair mask उसकी जगह. But उसके बाद भी I feel winters will really make my hair more dry. So hair serums is what I use every time before shooting. If you're looking for a very affordable hair serum, you can try Streaks. I really like it. And yeah, that is all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was like a very, oh my god, this is what I was saying. मेरे हाथ में यहाँ पे मैंने वो लिप शेड्स लगाए थे, तो मैंने स्वॉच के लिए वो लिप शेड्स यहाँ लगाए थे, the MAC वाले लिप शेड्स, and they have left a mark here on my white top. I mean, if you're buying a lipstick for 1700 rupees, at least the least you can do is make them smudge proof, right? Anyways, that is all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what was your favorite item. I think I have some really new and amazing products. I'm literally waiting for my eyelash glue and the glitter glue to arrive ताकि मैं थोड़ा और experiment कर पाऊँ with these products. And yeah, that is all for this video. Please make sure that you take part in the giveaway that's currently running on our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.